Today we will study a new topic, Roman numerals. Roman numerals are a numeral system originated in Rome. Numbers in this system are represented by the combination of letters from the Latin alphabets. We use Roman numerals in clocks, watches, the dates of public buildings or monuments are marked in Roman numerals. Let's learn more about Roman numerals. These are the Roman numerals. Roman numerals. These are Roman numerals and the letters corresponding to the numbers. I represent 1, V represent 5, X represent 10, L 50, C 100, D 500, M 1000. There are some rules in writing the Roman numerals. Rule number 1, repetition of numerals means addition, and no numeral can be repeated 3 times. That is, we know I is corresponding I, the number is 1. When 2 I are repeated, that is 1 plus 1, 2. 3 I represent 3, and we cannot write 4 as 4 I. Instead of 4 we write this symbol, this numeral. That is, no numeral can be repeated 3 times. If one numeral is repeated, it means it is added or addition. Next is rule number 2. A smaller numeral written to the right of a numeral of greater value means addition. We know that V represents 5. When I is added to the right of V, it means 5 plus 1, that is 6. V and 2I means 5 plus 2, 7. When I is written after X, it is 11. How you got? It is X means 10, I 1. That is 10 plus 1 equal to 11. Rule number 3. A smaller numeral written to the left of a numeral of greater value means subtraction. When a smaller numeral is written to the left, it means subtraction. Look here. A greater value X means 10. Smaller value I is written left to X. This means 10 minus 1, that is equal to 9. Another numeral 5. When we write I to left of V, that is 5, V means 5, I 1, 5 minus 1 equal to 4. A smaller numeral written to the left means it is subtracted. Rule number 4. When a smaller numeral is placed between the numerals of greater value, it is subtracted from the numeral placed after it. You understand? That is, when a smaller numeral is placed between the numerals of greater value, that is, this is a numeral of greater value, This is a numeral of greater value. When a smaller numeral is placed between the numerals of greater values, it is subtracted from the numeral placed after it. That is, this numeral is subtracted from this numeral. That means this value 10. This is subtracted from this number 10 plus this 10 minus 1. That is, this means 19. This is how we convert the Roman numerals. Got the idea? Let's look another example. This is a greater numeral. This is a greater numeral. When a smaller numeral is placed between these two greater numerals, we will subtract. That means that this numeral is subtracted from this numeral. This means 10 plus, this is 5. 5 minus 1. That is equal to 5 minus 1 is 4. 10 plus 4, 14. These are the 4 rules in writing the Roman numeral. These are the corresponding Roman numerals. Study up to 30. 1. Look here. 3. No numerals are repeated more than 3 times. Here 3. After 3 it becomes 9. 10 minus 1, 9. Then look here 13. 10 and 3i. X 3i 13. Here 4x 5 minus 1 14. Then look here x 5 3i 18. Then x 10 minus 1 90. Here also 10 plus 2 Roman numerals repeated means it is added. 10 plus 10 20. 20 plus 3 23. 10 plus 10 20. 20. 5 minus 1 4 24. Here 10 plus 10 20. 20 plus 5 25. 5 plus 3 8 28. Here after 3 numerals it is not repeated here. 10 plus 10 20. 20 10 minus 1 9. 20 plus 9 29. Study up to 30. Okay. I will give the notes at the end of the class. You have to write the note in your notebook.